Hey everyone, if you are facing high ping issues in Mobile Legends, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can cause high ping. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one gives better performance. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router or move closer to it. Make sure background apps aren't using too much bandwidth. Close all the unnecessary background apps that might slow down your connection. Next, enable the speed mode in Mobile Legends. Open the game, go to settings, the network, and turn on speed mode to prioritize network performance. Use Mobile Legends built-in network test to check your ping before starting a match. Tap on the network indicator in the top right corner of the lobby and you will see your ping. If you are still experiencing high ping, try using a gaming VPN. Some VPNs like UU Booster, Exit Lag, or Turbo VPN can help stabilize your connection by routing it through faster servers. Finally, if nothing works, check for game updates. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends, and install any available updates. Also, update your Android system software by going to Settings and find Software Update and update it if you have any available updates. And that's it. Your ping should now be lower, giving you a smoother gaming experience. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. See you in the next one.